Welcome. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to pin a group on the X app, formerly known as Twitter, on your PC. With the latest update, organizing your favorite message groups has never been easier. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. After logging in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a list of options like Home, Explore, Notifications, and Messages. Click on Messages to open your inbox. Once you're in the Messages section, you'll see all of your one-on-one chats and group conversations. Now, to pin a group, simply find the one you use the most or want to keep at the top for easy access. Hover your cursor over that group chat. When you do, a small menu of icons should appear to the right of the group's name. Look for the 3 vertical dots; those represent more options. Click on those dots, and a small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on Pin Conversation. That's it. You've successfully pinned your group. This means that the selected group will now stay fixed at the top of your messages list, no matter how many new messages or chats you receive afterward. Pinning conversations is super helpful if you use X for group projects, business collaborations, or just keeping up with your close friends. You can also unpin a conversation anytime using the same steps. Just click on the 3 dots again and select Unpin. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference when you're trying to keep your messages organized and accessible. Each pinned conversation stays exactly where you need it, allowing you to jump back in instantly without scrolling or searching. So, that's how to pin a group on the X app using your PC. If this helped you out, be sure to check out more tutorials to stay up to date with all the latest X features and updates. Thanks for watching.